Photo. Okay, sure. This one?
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So where you
What's up guys, my name is Emoji in case you don't know. So today I'm traveling to Bali. Oh, I'm so excited to go this place. Actually this will be like a typical my typical first time travel vlog. Let me just put it like that. My typical first time vlog, and this will be like this kind of vlog that I'll be just be holding the camera like up and down. But before I get started, I want to show you guys a couple of few bags I'll be going with. So these are the bags, these two bags. I'll be going with these two bags, and I've heard so many things about Bali, so I decided that it's high time I go check it out for myself and see what Bali guys to offer. So currently my Grab car is downstairs, so I gotta go. Actually, Grab car means it's like another version of Uber car, another version of Uber. So I'll see you guys downstairs. Let's go. That's my Grab car right there. Almost done. Yeah. Hello, Mas. Apakaba.
Some they hustle, some they walk. Everybody wants to be boss. Make you listen, you go hear sounds of victory in the air.
Guys, I just arrived here in the airport. I want to go check in right now. Alright, so guys, I'm already done checking in right now. So I'm waiting for the time so we can board. So I'm all set. I can't wait to see Bali very soon.
So guys, I'm done waiting. We're about to board right now. Said no seat number?
Yeah, free seat we are.
Free seat?
Yeah.
But I see that back, right?
You're sitting here?
I just arrived at the Bali airport right now, so I'm going off. I want to go find a taxi that will take me to my hotel. So how is life in Bali?
Yes, everything okay, my friend.
I just want to get something like a small room so that I can keep my stuff. Then I go out and look around Bali. When I come back, also I'm coming back to Bali because I still want to spend some time in Bali. I mean, a exciting place I can go before I leave.
Okay, depend like you. What you like? What you want to do?
Anything exciting at all, because I don't have anything in mind. I didn't even plan it. So anything exciting,
Yeah, maybe if you want to relax on the beach, you going to Nusa Dua. Nusa Dua is a good place for do the water sport area, like the snorkeling, diving, something like that.
Okay.
In Nusa Dua. Maybe if you want to see Bali, what is Bali?
Yes.
You going to Ubud. Ubud. The central of Bali, the Balinese artist from Bali. Artist of Bali. You can see the artist of Bali.
Okay.
You can see the local people making the painting, making the batik, wood carving, and then you can see the temple also.
Okay.
Balinese temple.
So how about the nightlife?
Night.
Yeah, the nightlife in Bali.
Nightlife in Bali, the location in Legian. In Legian, we have a lot of nightclub, discotheque, and Seminyak also.
Okay.
This for young people, yeah. I mean, yeah. Young people, Seminyak, Legian, Canggu.
I've heard about Canggu.
Canggu, yes. Canggu good
Canggu
for.
is far, right?
Yes, of course, far, and then good for surfing, my friend. Surfing,
yeah.
Yeah.
So they have the good beach for surfing.
Yeah, surfing. You can.
So the beach around here is just for relaxing.
Yeah.
Then play normal jet ski.
Something good is happening. Something good is happening. Something good is happening. Help me sing it, la 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 la.
Oh, what's up, guys? Feels so good to be here in the hotel. I really need to rise and refresh myself. Then later I'll be going out to go get some food for myself because I'm damn hungry right now. Take a look. No, I don't want to show you that. Actually, I think my taxi driver overcharged me. You know, I was thinking the distance from the airport to the hotel room to my hotel should be around 30 minutes, but actually it was 5 minutes. From the airport to this hotel is 5 minutes, but this taxi driver charged me 100,000 rupiah, approximately $10. I mean 10 USD. 10 USD, yeah, approximately 10 USD. Well, I would take that as part of my experience because these are the kind of things you see or the kind of experiences you get when you go to places you know nothing about. Actually, I think he's a nice guy, though he overcharged me. But you know, some people sometimes gotta do what they do. So, guys, I have to refresh and take a little bit nap, and later I might hit the streets. I want to show you guys the street of Bali, and I want to go get some food also to eat.
I'm looking for a restaurant, to go and eat. This is my friend here. I found a new friend. My friend here is about to help me to look for a very good hotel. I mean, a very good restaurant. My friend, just say hello to them. Just say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, like that. So what's your name?
I'm from Bali.
From Bali. He's from Bali. What's your name?
Aditya Dusaputra.
Aditya. Okay. He's helping me to look for a very good restaurant where I can eat. I don't know anywhere here, so I'm trying to find my way here. So far so good. Bali Street is good. I want to show you guys a lot more. Take a look. You know what? I'm so very happy right now. They just subscribed to my channel. So cool. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, I gotta go now. Okay. See you later. So guys, I'm still looking for a restaurant. So difficult to find a restaurant here. Not really. It's not like so difficult to find a restaurant. Just that I won't find the kind of restaurant I want. So I want a very cheap and affordable restaurant. I want to eat a local dish. I want to eat a Balinese food. So I'm still searching. I'm still looking, man.
What a cool building right there. Maybe I have to check this one out. I don't like going to restaurants where there is no people there. I want to go where I will see a lot of people. There is no people here. Alright. Ramadan high. So guys, finally I found a very good and a nice restaurant. Check it out. So cool, right? So right now I'm going to enjoy my beer right here, and my food is already on the way. It's getting ready. So should I show you guys what I'm eating? Okay, for the benefit of that, I will just do that. I will leave the camera on, then while you guys watch me eat. The food is here. Wow, so cool. Check it out. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment section. For the meantime now, I'm so hungry and I want to continue eating. So guys, I'm done eating. Now let's go to the beach. Let's go and see one of the beach here in Bali. I don't really know how this beach is, but from what I heard, they said the beach is good. Like you can do some the water ride, like jet ski, the parachute, the boat ride, and some other that like that. So for now, I'm gonna ease off. So how much does one cost after drawing?
It's like the size.
Yeah, okay, depends on the size. What about like these small ones like this?
Something like this one, and like 150 good name with the stand.
Okay. The big one like this is how much?
It's like 200.
200. Okay. That's so wonderful. So you're the one that draw those ones. You draw those.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. This is so cool. Take a look. Yeah. Nice work. Wow, so guys, I'm here. Guess what? It's a very lovely beach. Ooh. See that? See that?
Girl from New York, I come from Lagos. You want check my papers? I spend the naira. You want count my paper? The girl from New York, the girl from New York.
I think vlog will be something that I'll be doing very, very often these days, because I think I'm getting there. I'm getting to my steps. I'm getting to I'm getting that self-confidence I needed, and you know, it's so very weird, like you know to pick up a camera and start talking randomly in the street, and people will be staring at you. It's a very very courageous thing to do, because the way people will look at you, sometimes you're advising yourself whether this thing you're doing is the right thing or not, or whether are you going crazy. But I believe if you really know what you're doing or what you want to achieve, you don't have to give a fuck about all that. So far so good. I've been enjoying the vlog, and I really want to show you guys a lot of places. I really have a lot of places in my list, a lot of places to go on my list, and I won't disappoint you guys, but I just want you guys to, to support me, stay with me, more danger, more danger, for better, for worse. Just stay with me like you're married to me. I won't hurt your feelings. I won't break your heart. I won't break your hearts. I won't leave you for some other people. I will be with you guys always. And so I want you guys to, to give me back that favor in return. Stay with me. I won't disappoint you guys. I have a lot of places to show. I have a lot of things to, to explore, to show you guys what I'm made of. I'm not bragging. I'm not being too cocky, but I'm just telling you what it is. It is what it is. My name still remains Ebo G, and I will see you all later. Okay?